Alright guys, these are the ingredients for our mushroom and spinach risotto. So 1.5 cup of arborio rice, 150 grams of brown button mushrooms sliced, 2 handfuls of spinach, medium size of 1 shallot sliced or diced, 1/4 cup of freshly grated parmesan cheese, 2 cloves of garlic minced, 2 sprigs of rosemary, but we only need the leaves. Okay, so we might need to chop up the leaves, 1 medium size of Roma tomato diced, and we need 1/2 cup of dry white wine. So I use the Pinot Grigio. You can use any dry white wine. Need a tablespoon of olive oil, black pepper, salt to taste. I'm running out of Himalayan salt, so I'm using this kind of salt. Okay, right here I have 5 cups of vegetable stock. Okay, let's start cooking our risotto. Pour in 1 tablespoon of olive oil to your pot. Saute our shallots. Followed by garlic. Okay, let's add in the mushrooms. Okay, let's add in the wine and simmer it for 3 minutes. Alright guys, let's add in our rice, and before that, don't forget to wash your rice. I usually wash the rice 3 times. Right, cooking the risotto, we have to keep stirring it. Okay, now it's dry. We gradually add our stock. To prevent it from burning at the bottom. 15 to 20 minutes to cook. So this can be a vegetarian because I don't use any meat, and also I use vegetable stock. The cheese that I'm using is fresh parmesan cheese. Keep adding your stock and stir. So I use brown button mushroom, so that's why the color of the rice turns into brown because of the mushrooms. Okay, so let's keep simmering it. For the meantime, we're gonna chop our rosemary leaves and our spinach. Risotto is still simmering. It's almost cooked. Okay, then let's add more stock into it. Okay, let's add in our chopped rosemary. The rosemary is a little bit strong, so you can use like a teaspoon or 1 tablespoon. It's up to you. I think mine is 1 tablespoon. It's fresh.